Hello everyone, so in this video, let's talk about the easy level problem from LeetCode. The problem name is longest uncommon subsequence part 1. So as you can see, you are given two strings A and B. You have to return the length of the longest uncommon subsequence between A and B. If no such uncommon subsequence exists, return -1. That is the whole thing. And if it exists, return you can say the length of the longest uncommon subsequence. So uncommon means that, as you can see, uncommon subsequence means that between the two strings, it should be a string that is a subsequence of exactly one of them. So subsequence, if you know, should be a sequence in which if you delete some part of it, it can, like if you have a string, let's say if you have a string like this, A, B, C, D, E. Okay, this is the, let's say, the string that you have. Now, if you delete out some of the characters, whatever characters you want, and you can also not delete any characters, so this can be a particular subsequence. Let's say if I remove B, A, C, D, E is also a subsequence, and so whatever characters you can remove, and the remaining is a subsequence. You just have to find out the length of the longest subsequence. The overall idea is that what you can think of is that if the two strings are equal, if the two strings are equal, then both of the strings will, whatever subsequence you choose will also occur in the other string as well, because both of the strings you have to find out the longest uncommon. So you have to choose a part of, let's say I want to take this string, I want to choose a part of this string that should not be present in this string. Okay, now the thing is, if both the strings are same, whatever section you choose will also be present in the other thing. So which means that if both the strings, A string is equal to the B string, then the answer will turn out to be -1 automatically. Else, if both of them are not equal, which means that what you could have done is take the string which is larger in length, take that complete string, and that can be a subsequence which is not present in the other one. Obviously, by, let's say that you have, so this is -1. Let's say this is the string only. Let's say I have the string A B C D A B. Okay, let's say another string is A B C D A C. Okay, let's say if I take the complete substring, like let's say I take the complete string as the subsequence. The subsequence I want to form is this only, A B C D A C. Now this string is only a subsequence of this string, not this string. Why? Because as you can see, subsequence is the one in which I can get by deleting any characters from this string to this string. I cannot get from this string to this string because it has C, which means that this is the only thing and that is uncommon. So which satisfy a condition, which means that I can just take the string which is longer among both of them, because I want the longest subsequence. So whichever of the string is the longest, I can take that string as a subsequence, and that occurs only as a subsequence of one of the string, because I'm taking the complete string, the other string is useless, and that is the longest. So I hope you understand the actual idea here. Let's move down to the actual code part. So it's pretty much simple. If A is equal to B, which means that if A and B are same, we return -1. Else, whatever is the larger one. If B is the larger one, return the B string length. If A is larger, return A string. So this is a very simple O of, so this check will take O of n. Okay, to just check out whether both the strings are same, and then this is just O of 1 check. Okay, so that's the overall idea for this particular problem. It's a very simple problem. You just have to find out some intuition around it. If you still have any doubts, you can mention in the comment box for this particular video. I will see you in the next one. Like coding and